Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome paracord project. We have a shorter strand and a larger one. So first we're gonna take this short one by the ends, pull them together to find the center, but before that, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna start. So here we're gonna create a little loop using the snake knot. So take your left side strand, cross it on top of the right side strand, then around on the back, maybe zoom a little bit more. Then with this right side strand we're gonna pass it under the left side strand, and we're gonna return it from the top through that loop on the right side. From here we're gonna cinch it, form our loop, rearrange a bit, like so. Now from here I'm gonna take the jig and we're gonna place our loop onto the jig, and we're gonna secure this bracelet core. So when we've done this, let me zoom a bit more. Okay, then we're gonna take the longer side or longer strand and we're gonna pull it together, and here is the center. From here, place it under the core strands, pinch it from the back, and then simply take the right side strand, pass it on top of the core strands, then around them and to the back, and we created kind of a loop here, or a bite, as you wish. Then we're gonna take this left side strand and we're gonna pass it on top of the right side strand, then around, and from the back we're gonna return it through the loop. And we're gonna lock this. As you can see, and pull it closer to the snake knot. Now we're gonna take again the left side strand and we're gonna pull it through the loop on top of the core strands, and then we're gonna return it under the core strands and through the loop again, like so. Now we're gonna pull this right side and we're gonna secure it. Adjust this loop here, and again we're gonna take our right side strand, we're gonna pass it through the loop and on top of the core strands, then we're gonna pass it under the core strands, as you can see, and through the loop again. So this is the basic zipper sinnet all the way down. So now we're gonna detach it from the jig, cut off the excess of a cord, and create the stop knot. So from here we're gonna create a diamond stop knot, place the strings or strands between your fingers, then take the right strand, twist it a bit, create the loop, place the loop on top of the left side strand, then with this right side strand go under this left side strand, and then through the loop and under the strand and over. So I'm gonna pinch a bit. Now we're gonna take this one and we're gonna cross it to the right side and under and from the back through the middle. Now with this side strand next to this strand here, around, from the back, through the middle as well. Then we're gonna pull it and cinch it. Rearrange a bit. So here we are, our today's bracelet is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!